Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you have ever dreamed of a cozy, charming home that doesn't compromise on modern luxury and spatial efficiency, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking a deep dive into modern two-story cottage house designs. We will explore what makes this architectural style so compelling, why it is soaring in popularity, and how you can elevate your own cottage exterior to look like a designer masterpiece. At its core, this architectural style blends the cozy, warm, and inviting charm of traditional rustic cottages with sleek, updated modern aesthetics. A modern two-story cottage retains classic visual markers like steeply pitched roofs, dormer windows, natural material finishes, and welcoming front porches. However, it updates these traditional elements with clean vertical lines, contemporary neutral color palettes, oversized windows for enhanced natural light, and streamlined, open-concept floor plans spanning two thoughtful levels. The benefits of choosing a modern two-story cottage house design extend far beyond simple curb appeal. Building upward rather than outward allows you to maximize your interior living space without requiring a massive land footprint, making it ideal for both suburban lots and scenic rural properties. The two-story layout naturally creates a functional separation between shared entertainment spaces on the main floor and private, quiet retreats like bedrooms upstairs. Additionally, modern engineering ensures these homes feature energy-efficient siding, superior insulation, and large glass installations that flood the interior with natural light, keeping your energy bills low while creating a bright, spacious living environment. Decorating the exterior of a modern two-story cottage house requires a careful balance between contrast and warmth. To achieve a stunning modern look, pair crisp white or light gray siding with dark accents, such as black framed windows, dark roof shingles, or matte black wall sconces. Incorporating warm, natural wood elements like stained timber porch posts, natural wood shutters, or an elegant oak front door grounds the modern elements in classic cottage warmth. Layering your landscaping with low-maintenance perennial flowers, manicured boxwood shrubs, and stone masonry pathways, further framing the entryway, will seamlessly connect your home to its surrounding environment. Several distinct substyles define the best approaches to modern two-story cottage design. The modern farmhouse cottage relies heavily on board-and-batten siding, prominent gables, and large wraparound porches. The modern craftsman cottage highlights detailed woodwork, tapered columns, exposed rafters, and rich stone accent walls. For those who prefer a European touch, the modern English or French country cottage utilizes painted white brick, swooping roof lines, arched entryways, and soft stone facades. Finally, the contemporary minimalist cottage prioritizes bold vertical geometric silhouettes, dark fiber cement siding, black metal accents, and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass panel doors. And now, let's inspire your dream build. And to show you exactly what this looks like, here are our top 10 best modern two-story cottage house design ideas that showcase incredible innovation and style. One white modern farmhouse cottage with natural timber shutters. This design features crisp white board-and-batten siding, warm wood window shutters, and a matching natural timber front porch structure. The white brick foundation and multi-gable roofline blend classic country elements with contemporary simplicity. 2. Compact two-story vertical board-and-batten cabin. A streamlined small footprint cottage featuring high vertical siding, a stark black chimney pipe, and floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors on the porch. This ultra-efficient design optimizes tight lots while offering a cozy modern retreat atmosphere. 3. European-inspired textured brick cottage with arched entryway. This home showcases a stunning whitewashed brick facade with steep gables and an arched wood front door. The subtle integration of dark metal window frames and an integrated garage gives classic European stonework a clean, modern update. 4. Contemporary multi-gable white stucco cottage. Featuring clean, swooping roof structures and smooth off-white exterior walls, this modern cottage emphasizes soft curves and grand scale. Warm lighting through large picture windows creates an inviting, upscale suburban silhouette. 5. Soft cream cottage with covered porch and brick foundation. A charming suburban cottage design that pairs light beige horizontal lap siding with vertical gables, white trim, and a warm brick perimeter. A cozy front porch with timber brackets creates an instant, welcoming entrance. 6. Bright craftsman-inspired cottage with dormer windows. This house features prominent dormers on the upper level, offering elevated natural light and extended vertical space. The clean white trim around windows and porch columns contrasts nicely with the subtle earth tone siding. 7. Modern red brick cottage with bay windows and gray trim. A fresh take on classic brick masonry. This design pairs rich red brick with soft olive gray shutters and trim. The dark shingle roof and dormer windows provide symmetry, while a large bay window maximizes light indoors. 8. Off-white brick and board-and-batten combination cottage. This design expertly contrasts two exterior materials by pairing a painted white brick ground level with light gray vertical siding above. An elegant arched alcove porch adds architectural interest and subtle shadow lines. 9. Rustic dark brown two-story country cottage with wraparound porch. A rich dark brown lap-sided cottage framed by crisp white railings, window casings, and lattice porch skirts. The elevated porch wraps around the side of the home, offering abundant outdoor seating and traditional charm. 10. Grand white farmhouse cottage with wooden shutters and shingle roof. An expansive multi-gable layout with bright white walls, warm timber posts, and decorative wooden shutters. Manicured landscaping and a central brick chimney complete this classic modern cottage look. Modern two-story cottage house designs offer the ultimate balance of timeless charm, functional space, and modern efficiency. Whether you are building from scratch or looking to renovate your existing exterior, incorporating natural textures, clean lines, and thoughtful contrast will elevate your home's curb appeal for years to come. Which of these modern cottage designs was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Better Homes Designs, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home architecture and design showcases.